A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? Mast. May I ask you something? Students, do you want to play ना in a garden? आप garden में जाते हो, there you find swings है ना, झूला खाने में कितना अच्छा लगता है when you go up and down, isn't it? So students, today our topic is also same like that. Yes, our poem 22, that is swing. For that we'll watch a small video that what a child want to say about the swing. So are my students ready to watch an interesting video? So topic of the day is swing. Okay. So my dear students, you saw what the child want to say about the swing, that how much they like to go up and down, and the poet, what the poem says, how childish mind can swing as per its wish. अपने wish के हिसाब से आप ऐसे ऊपर नीचे होते हो ना. So the poem says that a childish mind swings up and down as per its wish. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it's in the pleasant thing ever child can do. Child describes that it is the most pleasant thing that a child could spend going up and down. So how was the poem, my dear students? Let's go with the explanation. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and kettles and all over the countryside. And what the child says, while swinging, हम क्या क्या देखते हैं, झूला झूलते हैं ना. So and swinging we see across the world trees, rivers, cattle, stars, and of course a blue sky also. And what else you want to say? Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. So we feel great when we go up and down. So how was the poem? But it is clear, my students, that swinging gives a child a sense of a power which he does not feel when he is on the ground. Okay, so it was all about the swing. ठीक है, now it's your time for worksheet. So now we go with the worksheet, that is match the rhyming words. Blue and do. Good work, students. Wide, that is side, wide side. Good work. Brown and town, brown town. And the next one is swing and thing. Oh, very nice. Let's find out score 100%, dear students. Now another one, students. Learn new words. We will be learning new words. Yes. Now it's, see how they are written. They are written in a jumbled form. गलत लिखा हुआ है, हम इनको सही करेंगे. You and here will come umbrella. What will come over here? Umbrella. So we move to the next exercise, that is arrange the letter to get meaningful words. See how they are written. ये गलत लिखा हुआ है बेटा. Then we have to fill the missing letters in a correct way. U M B R E L L A. It's an umbrella. आपको missing लिखना है. Okay. See what's written over here. Now from this you will get the idea that how you have to do this. S W I N G. It's called swing. Third one, see what you will be writing. W I N D O W. It's window. Okay. And the last one, oh, this you will be doing. मज़ा आ रहा है ना? Okay, 3 I have done for you. And the fourth one, it's for you that you will be doing. Okay, my dear students. So, how was the video and how was the poem? Very nice, interesting. So, whenever you go to the garden, visit to the garden, you should definitely swing. Okay. So, that all was from the poem Swing. And मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ you will learn this poem. Have a nice day. Do take care of yourself. God bless you, बच्चा.